Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my letter intro on my last video where I talked about YouTube channels that you guys can start without showing your face. So I'm going to get into the tutorial now. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to Instagram and you want to open up your Instagram stories. You're going to need to bring in a picture of a green screen. So you can make this in Canva and just make sure that the color is like a bright green and just save it on your phone. That way when you come into Instagram stories, you can just bring that green picture in. Once you bring the green picture in, you want to go to stickers and then your GIFs or GIFs, however you pronounce it. And you want to start looking up your letters. So if you just type in M, then M will show up. If you guys can't find a specific letter, like I did for A, when I type in A, it doesn't show up. You can type in A and then a letter, and then you will see the GIFs for that. So find all of the letters that you need for your channel title, your channel name, or whatever the case may be. Once you find all of your letters that you need, you want to arrange them in the way so it's more of a horizontal view than a vertical view. So you want it to be 1920 by 1080 rather than 1080 by 1920. So once you have all of your letters arranged, it will look something like this, and you want to just go ahead and save the video to your phone. I've already showed you guys how to use green screens in Adobe Premiere Pro and in iMovie. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to reference that video so you guys can put that into your video. For people who don't have iMovie or Adobe Premiere Pro, I would suggest Kinemaster. This is the only app that I could find that you could use green screens on. So I'm just going to show you guys how to use it on there. Again, if you are using Adobe Premiere Pro or iMovie, I am going to leave a link in the description of how to use green screens in iMovie and Adobe Premiere Pro, so you guys can do that. So in Kinematser, you want to bring in the clip that's going to be going underneath the green screen. And then you want to bring in the intro that we made. Make sure you guys rotate it. You're going to want to select chroma key on the side and click enable, and it will get rid of that green screen for you. If you guys want the intro to be longer, then you guys can always duplicate that video file. And this is how it looks when it plays back. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.